Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find the value of a, b, and we know that they are in here. So I will show you the technique how to find this one. So I will concentrate about this one first. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So this is about a, this is about b. We want to create about a square minus b square, but we just have only a, only b with the negative. So we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So to create about a square minus b square. So this one we will have about ax plus b minus 4, because we want to create about the number 1 in here. So that means b minus 4 equals to number 0. So the first number we need to find, that's about b. So b should be about number 4. And now we can put number 4 in here and number 4 in here. So 4 minus 4 they cancel. And s divided by s. When s approaches to number 0, this one number 0 go in here. A multiplied by number 0, you got about 0. The square root of number 4, you got about number 2. And we know that the value of this limit equals to number 1. So we have 8 over 4 equals to number 1. So 8 equals to number 4. And now the value of a and b equals to number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.